Okay, it's 13:04, 31 May 2021. We're inside the Sanyo MR-FF2. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, so open with that. There's the back of it. Okay, it's a 3-piece model. It's got line in, line out. It's got your beat cancel, your 9-volt in, left and right microphones, your line in, line out. Takes 6D batteries, or 6 batteries, C batteries I think. Alright, there's the front of it. It's got a 5-band equalizer, radio line in, metal tape normal, volume, your band control, your tape counter, and your buttons up there. Alright, there's the top view. It's got the soft touch operation, mic mixing, didn't check it out. There's the bottom. No one ever shows the bottom. Okay. Here's the open up battery compartments clean. Okay. And then to separate the speakers from the main unit, you have to open up the speaker covers and release these little catches right there. There's one for that side, and likewise one for that side. Okay. And then here they are released, and the speakers raised up, lifted up. Okay, so like that. Then 5 screws holds it in. That's the pattern they came out of. They're all the same size. Okay. Okay. Then when you go to take, when you get the door open, the door is held in place by this little catch right there. Okay. And then when you do get the door open, you want to carefully pry this over with a tool of some sort to help it come away from the main unit. Alright? That's how you do that. So be careful of this. This is just a hook that goes up and down, which is right here is the hook. Okay? That's the hook. And this is the only, anyway, you understand all that now. Okay? So now it's open. It's a picture of the top, picture of the deck, picture of the bottom, this end, that end, okay, top again. And here's the tape deck. To remove this, to remove the tape deck, you have to remove this panel by removing this one screw. This screw right here is from the removing of the radio to begin with. Okay, so you take out this one screw, and I took a picture so I know where it went. Then that's what comes out. That's just the way it is. It's bent that way and everything. Okay, so don't know what else you can see in here except we'll get to the tuner in a moment. Here's the other side. To remove the stereo indicator, you remove that one screw, and that's where it goes in that hole in that position. So those 2 screws are the same size. They're shorter than the other screws. And there is the module. Make note of this right here. That's how it attaches around there. So if you try to get it out, it's held in place by that little half circle. Alright? Okay. And then, now this here is the tuner. And the tuner is held in, you do not unstring the tuner. You simply loosen the screw, and it's got a adjustment to where you can, so that's why the pointer is there, to loosen the screw, the Phillips, and you can move the tuner out of the way so you can get the tape deck out. Okay. Here the tape deck is out, and here I try to get a picture of the motor. So it's that motor right there. Okay. And then I tried taking a better picture because I couldn't see it too well on the camera, so here's another picture of the motor. Okay. And then here I looked at this, and this leaf switch looks kind of funny to me. the way it's designed, but I thought that these two are supposed to touch, but maybe I'm mistaken, but that's how it looked like when I took it apart. Okay, so that's a leaf switch. Okay. Then I get the deck to power, and I'm going to show you that here in a moment. It's got all its belts, and I'm powering this with a set of batteries and jumper cables across the battery, like that. And then lastly, this is a Japanese domestic model. This is not a model that you find in the USA. So there is a model number. It's a Sanyo MR-FF2. Okay? And that's the last picture I took. So now I want to go and take the camera off of here. Well, no. Let's do it this way. Okay, let's wide out. Alright. Wide out and move the thing down, and then wide zoom back in. So I want to show you that, let's see here, wide out just a bit. Okay, so now the main deck is powered. Let's see here, can you see? This is powered. See that there? That's the radio is on. Okay, it's tuned in, but no speakers are attached. And we're going to power the deck. Okay, I'm going to take one of my jumper cables here and put power to it. Now the deck is not running right now. Okay, and if you let's do that. Let's put a headset on, headlight. Okay. All right, so the deck is not running. So if we hit, this is play, nothing happens. Okay? And make a note of this going down when you hit the stop button. This is rewind, nothing happens. And you see this is the flywheel right here. That's the flywheel. Nothing happens. Right? This is fast forward, nothing happens. Hit stop. Okay. We hit play, nothing happens. Okay, so hit stop, and again it goes down. So now I'm going to put power to it. Okay. And there it, see, can you see it running? I can't see if you can see it running. Let me zoom this thing in. Yeah, you can see it running. Okay. So, now I want to show you that if we hit play, it jumps down and this starts turning. Okay. And if we hit stop, and we hit fast forward, you can see that, and that kicks off. Is that right? And this is the other one, and it runs along and does that. Okay. You hit stop, and again this comes back up, but the motor is still running because I have constant power coming to the motor. Okay. So I remove the power. Okay. Both leads even, and it's got power, but it doesn't work. So there's something wrong and there is no other linkage from the tape deck. Let's see here. Yeah, there's no other linkage from the tape deck going back to the main unit. So everything is powered by just, okay, these couple of wires here, one wire is for the black wires for the erase head, the gray wires for the playback record head, and then this is just your flat cable here, and it's, let's see, you can't really see that, but this flat cable here is all connected, and that's where all your leaf switches and motor controls and everything goes, so, but there's no power to the motor, so I don't know what's wrong with this model. And that's as far as I'm willing to take this without having a schematic for it, as this is a Japanese domestic model. Okay, so let me take the camera off the tripod. Okay, and just show you a little bit better up close. Alright, so here. That's what I know. It's powered by a that, which goes down to the one of those bricks. Okay, And but this just doesn't do anything. And there's an alarm. We're not going to work today. It's a holiday. Okay. So that's all I know. This is the, like I said, these two wires here go to the heads. And there's no other wires going to this, but it's powered up. It's on. You can throw the selector switch over here, which is that switch there, but this won't do anything. Okay, won't do anything. Won't do that. But now the tape deck door does work once again. Okay, so before it wouldn't do it because the tape deck hadn't completed its cycle. That's what Sanyos are famous for. If you don't have the, this does have all its belts. I didn't take it apart and try to put new belts in simply because the motor's not getting enough power or getting any power. I can't measure any voltage across here unless I put my own power to it. Okay, so I'm at wit's end. I'm not going to try to repair this any further. That's all I know. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.